Hello everyone, welcome to my online classroom, and today in this video we are going to discuss about the important questions of class 9th ECO chapter 3rd, poverty as a resource, as a challenge. So let's start and see the worksheet it is be given here. Under this worksheet I have mentioned all the important questions which are going to complete or going to cover your 1 mark, 3 mark and 5 mark questions. So here as you can see important questions. First question we have here, how the poverty line is measured in India. If we are going to see in our country, how we are going to count, how we are going to calculate the poverty. So there is a one line which is going to tell us that how many people are here, those who are above the poverty line and how those who are below the poverty line. So for that purpose we use the poverty line, so that you have to mention here. Question number 2 is asking describe the different causes of poverty in India. So there are various causes which we are going to read in this chapter. Under this chapter that there are various causes because of that poverty kind of challenge is found in India. So those causes you have to be explained here, and it depends on the marks. Suppose it is coming for 3 marks, so you have to be explain this answer under the 3 main headings, and suppose it will become in exam for 5 marks, for under the 5 main headings you have to explain. And even for this chapter I had already made the flowchart video. If you have not watched that video, please watch it. In that also I explain each and every heading, so by that you can know that what are the important topics you have to read in this chapter. As well as very soon you will get the video explanation of this chapter, so that is also going to be helpful for you. Next question, third we have, who is the poorest of the poor, if you are going to see in the India. So here you have to be explained that among the various group of the people, those who found in our country, those who live in our country, in a society, different people. So on the basis of that, who is the group of the people, those who are the really very poorest of the poor. So that you have to mention. And here it means the people, because poverty means the people, those who are unable to fulfill their basic requirement. So that you have to mention. Question number 4 is asking, describe briefly the interstate disparity in poverty in India. If we're going to see in India, so of course in related to poverty, in some states we have a lot of poverty. In some states the disparity is periodic. Okay, in some states more poverty, in some states we have less poverty. So according to that you have to explain. Question number 5, it is here, mention 2 steps taken by the government to alleviate poverty in rural areas. So here you have to be give 2 steps which is taken by the government to alleviate means to reduce poverty in rural areas. So especially the things, the work which is be done by the government in the field to reduce the poverty in rural areas. That 2 points you have to explain here. Question number 6 we have, which country of Southeast Asia made rapid economic growth. So here you have to give the one country example which is given, which is done a rapid economic growth. Okay, of Southeast Asia. Next we have question number 7, social exclusion denies certain individuals the dash. So it is a FIB question, so related to social exclusion, how some people in the society they are not getting equal rights or some kind of benefits just like the other people of the society they are getting. So according to that, so how they are going to be excluded from the society, because of that day by day they are going to become poor because they were unable to fulfill their basic needs. So that thing you have to mention here. Question number 8 we have here, how many people in India are live below the poverty line. So that is also according to the census, according to the survey reports, it is mentioned. So that you have to write. Question number 9, it is be given here. It is very important for 1 mark question. Which organization carries out survey for determining the poverty line? So here you have to give the name of that organization which actually carries out survey. The organization is doing survey related to the poverty, that how many, and this according to this organization they are going to tell by this survey that how many people in our country they are below or the poverty line. After the question number 10 is here, which social group is most vulnerable to poverty in India. So first of all here you have to understand the meaning of vulnerable, because it is also coming in exam that they are asking explain the vulnerable groups. So that you have to mention. So which social groups is most vulnerable to poverty in India. So especially you have to mention under this vulnerable the people just like suppose due to any natural disaster, in starting they were not poor, but due to any natural disaster they become poor. Okay, and even like suppose if any widow is there and she's not able to do any work, she's illiterate and the head of the family is not be there, children are there. So we very well know that women children they are not able to earn more income in comparison of a male person. So because they are getting less income in some places. Even suppose due to any accident, a person is going to become handicapped or physically unfit. Because of that, is not able to do work and to earn more. So because of that reason, they are going to become poor. So these all are the groups are coming under the vulnerable, because to they are going to become under this social group which is most vulnerable to poverty in India. Question number 11 is here: which two states of India continue to be the poorest states? Okay, so I hope you know the answer of this question. Question number 12, it is be here: who are the poorest of the poor? Question number 13, we have so here poorest of the poor, especially like casual laborers. In some days they are getting work and some days they are not getting the work, so because of that they become poor. Question number 13, it is be here: what is the main cause of poverty in India? So these are different causes they will be asked here. Before already we had discussed this. So here again, here are the main causes. So here main causes you have to be explained because of that poverty found in India. Question 14, it is here: nutritional level of food energy is expressed in the form of dash. Okay, so that you have to mention here what under this dash the correct word is going to become, which is related to nutritional level. If next question 15, we have which state has the largest percentage of poor in India? So that state you have to mention where we found more poverty. Question number 16 is asking when was National Rural Employment Guarantee Act passed? So it is also known as NREGA, and today in the after joining the name of the Mahatma Gandhi, it is known as the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. So the year you have to mention, the date you have to mention in which year it was be passed. Question number 17, it is here: for how many days MNREGA provides employment? Okay, so MNREGA for how many days it's providing the employment, that you have to mention. Question number 18 is saying the calorie requirement is higher in the rural areas because. So you have to be right that what is the reason behind of that. It is believed that in the rural areas the calorie which is required, that is it should be higher, especially the rural areas. So what is the reason behind of that? Maybe they are working more hard work, you know, whatever you think related to this chapter, whatever you have read. So that is the correct answer. Question number 19, it is here: which of the social groups is vulnerable to poverty? So I think this question is repeated already, we have discussed. Question number 20, it is here: by which year governments are aiming to meet the Millennium Development Goals, including halving the rate of the global poverty? So what is the particular year, the government agenda that in that particular year they are going to be reduce the poverty and they are going to be get their developmental goals. So in this way we have completed the whole worksheet. So related to any question, if you have any problem, you are not getting the answer, so please comment me. And if you are getting your correct answer, so that also mention it and comment me. So I hope this worksheet is really going to be helpful for you. So thank you everyone, and please like, share and subscribe this channel for more updates.